So I'm going to show how to set up Linux Kali on an Android device. Okay, so the phone that we have, hopefully you should be able to see from here. I'm just mirroring the screen there. Okay. Okay, so this is the device here. So I'll just show you, I'll just flick that there. And you should see it changing. Okay, so I've actually installed Linux Kali on here. So it's done through the Linux deploy. It's just a great little program. And what I've done is I've set it up. Here, if we actually have a look at some of the settings. Okay, so basically you pick your distribution there, Linux Kali, and your installation path. I've created a 5 gig image size to give it a bit of space and so on, and then I've enabled SSH and VNC. Okay, so you just go ahead and you can actually install it and then run it from here just by pressing the start there. Okay, so you can see here we have a connection, port 22 and port 5900 for the main connections. So SSH is port 22. So what we'll do is we'll just ping the device just to make sure that it's alive. Okay, and then it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just check the SSH service just to see if it's actually alive. And we use if we look at the settings for the phone. You should find that there's an Android user on it. There we go. There's the username Android. Okay, so you can use that if you want, but I'll just leave that there. Android. And default is change.me. Let's try again. So here we are. This is us on our Android device. There we go. So there's the bin, and so on. If we wanted, we could do a ping back to this machine. So I'm on a Mac just now. So I'll just bring up a terminal. Let's have a look at what our IP address is. 192.168.0.2. Okay, so this is pinging from the Android device back to the Mac. Okay, that looks fine. Oops. Let's get our screen back. Okay, so what we'll do is that we'll now connect through VNC now to see if the VNC service is working. So the Mac actually has a VNC client already built into the browser. Okay, so if we open up Safari, you should be able to get that, but obviously you can use a VNC client and it should work just the same. Okay, so let's connect. And there we go. Okay, so this is our Android device here, and we can actually have a look at the file manager that we've seen before. Okay, so this is on our Android device. We can go right up to the very top, and there we are. Okay, and we can also pull up a terminal window. We can go for SSH. And so on. Just bring up a little terminal. Appreciate it's probably be quite difficult to see that from there. It's got a couple of nice little features. Yeah. Okay, so the VNC works very well there. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just disconnect from there. it, so go back to our phone and just wake it up. Okay, so I just use the cursor here. Okay, so on the device we can download our VNC client. Okay, so you can see we can. It's a bit difficult to obviously see some of the text when we're running it as a VNC onto the device, but we can see it works very well there. Okay, so we'll just get disconnected from that. And then I'll just go back home. Okay, there we are. So let's have a look at the terminal. And then from here, if we have SSH installed, I've now installed it here, we should be able to log into the device. Okay, so it's been a quick demo as to how you can install your Kali Linux actually on the device.